Can you really go viral with your first YouTube video? What if your very first YouTube video changed your life forever? No subscribers, no audience, no expensive camera, and yet millions of people suddenly start watching. Sounds impossible? Well, it has happened before. But here's the question. Can anyone go viral with their first upload, or is it just luck? Today we're uncovering the truth behind one of YouTube's biggest mysteries. Stay until the end, because the answer might completely change the way you think about YouTube. Chapter 1. The Dream of Every Creator. Every single day, more than 1 million new videos are uploaded to YouTube. Most of them barely get any views, some never reach 100, some never reach 10. Yet somehow, a few first-time creators explode overnight. Why? Is the algorithm secretly choosing winners, or is something else happening behind the scenes? Chapter 2. The Biggest Myth. One of the biggest myths on the internet is, you need thousands of subscribers before YouTube recommends your videos. That sounds believable, but it's not true. YouTube doesn't recommend videos because a creator is famous. It recommends videos because viewers respond to them. If people click, watch, and keep watching, the algorithm notices, not your subscriber count, your audience's behavior. Chapter 3. What actually makes a video go viral? Imagine 2 videos uploaded at the same time. One has amazing editing, but nobody clicks it. The other has a title and thumbnail that make people curious. People click, they keep watching, they share it with friends. That's the difference. Virality isn't created by luck alone. It's built from curiosity, retention, and emotion. Chapter 4. The Truth About First Videos. Can your first video go viral? Yes, it has happened. But not because the creator discovered a secret hack. They created something people genuinely wanted to watch. Most creators fail because they stop after a few uploads. The successful ones keep improving, learning from every video, and giving viewers a reason to come back. Ending. So, can your very first YouTube video go viral? Absolutely, but the real question isn't, can it happen? The real question is, will your video give people a reason to click and stay? Because that's what YouTube rewards, not shortcuts, not fake tricks, just videos people genuinely enjoy watching. If you love discovering the truth behind internet myths and the creator economy, subscribe to Last Horizon, because the next mystery might be even bigger.
Hey, Explorer! Become part of our big adventure. Hit subscribe, like, and the impossible together. See you on the next horizon.